Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about viewing your drafts on TikTok. So perhaps you've closed out of a post and you want to come back to it later and you want to locate how to find it. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate them. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the profile button in the bottom right corner of your TikTok account in the bottom right corner of the TikTok app. And then you should see a little menu icon up at the top. It says latest. Go ahead and left click on that. Drafts should be the first file in here. So if you go ahead and left click on that, any files in drafts should be listed here. You can go ahead and just select that file if you want to go ahead and start editing it or modifying it for publication. If you want to delete it, just hold down on it and select the delete button at the bottom. And that is all you have to do. You can select all of them by selecting the select button. You can select all if you have a whole bunch of drafts that you want to delete. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.